All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful and dumpy, what day is today? Tuesday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And yeah, guys, Bitcoin is taking a bit of a tumble these past few days, and as you can see, I'm wearing my purple shirt. All right, typically I wear the blue shirt, and the blue shirt causes the dump, and today we're wearing the purple shirt. Hopefully the purple shirt will cause a little bit of a pump. As you can see, the Bitcoin price right now, guys, is coming to a very, very, very key area of support. All right? Very, very, very key area of support. This area of support is so important. It is the bottom of the macro range. This box that I have here in between these two green lines, guys, if it does not hold, we are probably going to see a much larger correction into the 70s. And again, I'm not trying to be bearish and dangerous and scare people, but the truth is, this box really must hold. And the question right now on everybody's mind is the bottom in. And we're going to be talking about that today. Is the bottom in? What are the probabilities? How am I looking to trade this price action? First of all, I got to give a major shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Major shout out to Mark with an accent over the A. Mark! Bidiga. Hi, y'all. Blood on the market. I bought it. Shout out to Gorgeous Emu. Pumping. Shout out to Oscar Hernandez. Shout out to J-Boy Boolish. He says 75, baby. Shout out to Felipe Collin. Purple shirt and blue hat. We go sideways. Well, if I wear the blue shirt, I got the purple hat. Major shout out to New Creation. Shout out to Jay Becker. Shout out to Armenian Crypto Mommy. Shout out to Empire Trades. You still running. Man, we still walking every single day. Shout out to Might Sorong. Yo, Casper, what's up? Shout out to Nays Garden. Shout out to Harry 2.0. He says, amen, sir. Shout out to Zeus. Almighty Zeus 2666. Dead cat bounce on Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that. There's actually a chance that this might not be a dead cat bounce. We're going to talk about that. Shout out to FitGenius618. God bless you, bro. Shout out to Dak Bick trying to ride the long up to 89 and short around 91. Shout out to Brody Alexander, young old boy, and Kim Gall. Shout out once again to Damu Fish. Guys, when everyone is hyped on the idea that Bitcoin's going to 70 in one dump, start looking for longs. Yeah, guys, honestly, this is the place to be looking for longs, and here's why I say this is the place to be looking for longs. This is, in my opinion, an area on the chart where if we don't bounce from here, it's very bad. And because we're at the bottom of the range, I mean, it's literally now or never, right? It's literally from this box or never. So again, I'm not telling anybody what to do here. We're going to be going through top-down analysis, but we have to understand that we've been talking about this since November, that the low of our range is between $85,000 and $87,000. The top of our range here, we've been talking about since December, is between 107 and 110, right? So here we are right now at the bottom of the range, starting to get a little bit of bounce. Very, 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 very slow price action, all right? Still got the trade open here, the short trade that I took profits last night at around that low when we came down to the $89,000 level. Locked in $10,000. Still got here the short trade as well. Have compounded the short trade here. Locked in a good $5,000. Still got $5,000 unrealized. Have another take profit at $85,000 here. But here's the thing. I'm kind of watching and waiting because I'm looking to compound this long trade that I've been in since $67,000. I mean, yeah, basically since $67,000. I'm looking to add to it. And when I'm confident that the low is in, I'm going to compound that trade and hopefully ride this thing up to another high, hitting our take profit at around $119,000 with a multi-$100,000 position. All right, so that's kind of my plan right now, and we're going to be talking about it now. Guys, if you want to trade with very low fees, MEXC, the way to be. 0% maker order fee, 0.02% market order fee, and you can even get 20% off fees if you hold a certain amount of their tokens. Now, this does require KYC. If you're looking for a KYC-free exchange, good old WEEX, very low fees, link in the pinned comment and the description. And BLOFIN, guys, if you sign up to BLOFIN using my link, you can get 10% cash back and a $1,000 future bonus, plus a chance to win all these juicy Juicy prizes. All right. Also, guys, I do have to make an important announcement. The decentralized exchange ANTARCTIC is officially live. This is a decentralized exchange, meaning you hold everything on your own hard wallet or hot wallet. And if you sign up using the Jason Casper link, which, actually, I got to put that in the dang. Oh, yeah, we have it here. It's in the description. If you sign up using the link with the description, you will get 0% limit order fees, 0.015% market order fees, which is exclusive to Jason Casper, all right? The exchange does not even offer fees that low, as you can see. Even VIP5, if you're trading $500 million of volume in 14 days, they're not even going to give you fees that low. All right, these are exclusive Jason Casper fees, and this is only if you sign up using my link. This is a decentralized exchange. You don't have to worry about hacks. You don't have to worry about frozen accounts. You don't have to worry about any of that crap. You hold everything on your own wallet. Plus, if you trade on the exchange, you own part of the exchange. You get paid in the exchange token. You can even be part of the liquidity pool where you are the market maker. If you get liquidated, you get paid. If other people get liquidated, you get paid. This is changing the name of the game, guys. Link in the description. All right. Let's get into the Bitcoin prices. We are starting to get a little bit of a move to the upside here. We're going to start on our daily time frame. Daily time frame right now. We've had very slow price action today. Where are we coming to right now? Well, we have this very key daily order block around 87.3. We dipped below that a little bit. On Bybit, the low that we made was actually right in the middle of this box at 86.017. Okay? Now, there's two scenarios I'm really looking at right now. Scenario number one is we close this daily candle above the box. If so, that could signal more move to the upside. Scenario number two is this. We do have liquidity, the low of the range, down here at $85,000. This is a very key level right down here at $85,000. So, when we look at the daily time frame, what do we see? We see that there is still more room to the downside, potentially here. This momentum wave, very, very oversold. In fact, I don't even remember the last time we've seen an oversold momentum wave below the negative 60 line on Market Cipher B on the daily. It has not been since July 2024. All right, July 2024 was the last time we saw a momentum wave this low. Let's go back and look at what happened in July 2024. All right, it was almost the exact low. Okay, so this is telling us we are in very oversold territory. We're going to need to have a correction to the upside. All right. So when we look at the daily, potentially we're forming this bottom. There's still a few days. We don't know yet if this is going to confirm a green dot or not. So let's go down to the 4-hour and get more clarity on what's happening on the daily. So the 4-hour has in fact confirmed a juicy big green dot here, which on Market Cipher B signifies a bottom. Not the bottom, but a bottom for certain. The last time we saw one of these big juicy green dots, it did signify a very significant bottom, right? This was the last big move to the upside. That long trade, that last big long trade that we took in the Casper crew of a 12% move to the upside, all right? So we're printing and confirming one of those right now, but the money flow looks very, very sad. Now, like I said, when you have waves this oversold, I mean, this is crazy. We have not seen a wave this oversold since June 2024. It's been a very long time since we have seen momentum waves this low on the 4-hour time frame, right? The last time we did, we were at the bottom of a very large range. I want you to keep that in mind. The last time we saw momentum waves this low, we were at the bottom of a very large range, all right? June 2024, right around this area, okay? This is where we saw that big oversold wave. Now, again, this is the low of a very large range. So in my opinion, the fact that we're printing waves like this shows we're forming a bottom. And when we look at the price action, we are in fact at the low of a very large range. We go to the 1-hour time frame. What do we see? We do see some bullish div here, but the money flow is not looking too bullish. So what does this all mean? Well, in my opinion, this means it's still probable that we come back down to make another low. Because if we come back down to make another low here, let's say we get a little bit of a move to the upside, reject from around the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement right? We have a nice support resistance flip right around this area here, right around the Fibonacci golden pocket. We get a rejection. We come back down to take that low one more time, actually coming down to that key level. This will give us time to now print a bullish divergence on market cipher B, also known as the uneven butt cheek pattern, a juicy left butt cheek and a skinny right butt cheek. Now, something else to keep in mind here, guys, is this. We have not seen any signs of strength here yet. So do we have to take the low again? No, this could be the low. So here's what I'm really looking for. If this is really going to be our low, then what I would want to see is some kind of change of market structure on a lower time frame. What I mean by that is, let's at least take out this last hourly high. Let's at least take out this last hourly high. And if we do that, that is a change of market structure. We have not seen a higher high on the hourly time frame since February 21st. So it's been 4 days we've been in this downtrend. So the sign of a change is now going to be taking out that high at around $89,700. Once we do that, because things are so oversold, I definitely am going to be interested in longing a back test, okay? Because there is a chance the bottom might be in here. There's a real chance for that, okay? Right now, I'd say that if we pull our fib from this last, right around like the $93,300 area, this is our major resistance. If we pull the fib from the last swing high that we made to the current low, it lines up very nicely with this last little pivot that we put in here, right before the big breakdown. And so I would kind of be looking potentially for maybe something like this, a move up to this area, a change of structure, then we can get in a retest and then look for a long like that, okay? So far we have not seen that sign of strength. So any longs that we're taking from this area, admittedly, we have to say they are knife catches. Now, I'm not saying you're wrong to take a long from here because this is a make it or break it zone. But it is very difficult to get into a long from here because we're technically not really bouncing from an actual level, more so just a zone. Okay, so the two ways I would be looking to get into long here are, number one, we start to make higher highs on at least the hourly time frame, come back down for a retest. That to me is a valid long. The second is, because we're starting to see bottoms forming here, specifically on like the daily and the 4 hour, if we do get another move to the downside like this, that would allow us to print a bullish divergence here, especially on that 4 hour time frame. Those bullish divergences, they ain't no joke, man. They ain't no joke. All right, Bitcoin getting a little bit of a move to the upside. Nothing too serious yet, but we are finally breaking out of this on the 12-minute time frame. Even on the 15-minute time frame, guys, we officially do have now a change of structure. All right, we've made a little higher high very locally here. Right, we made our low, our high, our higher low, our higher high. So let's see how this plays out. Obviously, the real high we want to come above is going to be this one. Once we come above that, this to me is a real sign of strength. And then we can look for either, you know, the inverted head and shoulders pattern, or we actually look to take this again, come back down, take the liquidity from 85,000 and then pump. This is very key support, and I am only looking for long trades right now. I am not looking for short trades. However, the reason I'm not looking for short trades is because, well, you can't short support. I mean, I'm sorry, but I would never ever in a million years sell or short this level, okay? Dumps are for buying, pumps are for selling. All right? Dumps are for buying, pumps are for selling. If you sell the dump, you're a chump. All right? And if you buy the pump, you're a chump. Now, let's talk about the fact that this is such key support, but if we do lose it, guys, see this move to the upside here? We could just as easily come all the way back down and fill this. All right? Let's look at the volume that happened here. All right? Let's look at the volume. You can see that there's really no volume on the way down until we get to like 76K. We have a little spike in volume. And then we have like the low 70s, man. And so, again, look, you got to hear me out. People said we were never going to lose 90K. All right? When we were trading up here, people said, Jason, you're such an idiot for looking even down in this box for a potential move. Okay, but here we are down in the box. And so, again, those same people who said I was an idiot for even suggesting we might come down here, we need to understand that if we don't bounce from this box, this is extremely bearish. There is no support. There's no support. We could have an equally fast or faster move down. All right? We could come down literally in a day. We could fill all of this, guys, in a day, in hours. We could fill all this. We've seen it happen many times before for Bitcoin. All right? We get a move to the upside. This is the daily time frame. You know, we get a move to the upside. It takes us how many days to get the move to the upside? 22 days to get the move to the upside. And then we fill it all and even make a lower low. It takes us 7 days. All right? And 1/3 of the time that it took us to get this pump, boom, we fill it on the way down. All right? That's just how Bitcoin likes to go. You know? That's how Bitcoin likes to go. Look at this move to the upside here. It took us 1, 2, 3. It took us 8 days to get that pump. And then literally in 2 days, we gave it all back. All right? That's how it works. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to happen. You got to hear me out. But I am saying it can happen. And so we need to be prepared for it. What do I mean by that? If you're long, if you're looking for longs, please use good risk management. Understand that if you're taking trades underneath $85,000, you're literally taking trade at no support. All right? You're taking a trade at no support. Doesn't mean you can't do it. If you're using good risk management and you understand, okay, I'm risking X amount, I'm risking my 1%, you know, I've got a reason here to take a long trade, but, you know, especially if you're on leverage, guys, please be careful underneath this box. Please, I cannot stress this enough, because this is going to lead to this could lead to a massive cascade of liquidations. Fast. All right? Similar to what we saw over here, guys. Do you remember this wick? Do you remember what happened back here? Let's check it out. This was crazy. I remember this because I got into a juicy long trade from here. But let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, look at this. It took us, like I said, it always takes quicker on the way down. It took us 2 days and 1 hour to make the pump. And then it took us literally 7 hours to dump, and we can even go down to a lower time frame. Look at this. Let's go to the 10-minute time frame. Look at this candle, guys. In 10 minutes, in one candle, we saw an 8% move to the downside. All right. So I really just want to caution people here. Okay, please be careful. And I have to say this because I don't want people to get wrecked. People get very emotional. But here we are. We're getting a move to the upside. We're getting a little bit of a pump. We've got our daily time frame. We understand we're oversold. We understand a bottom is coming soon. If it's not at this box, then my next level is going to be just the mid 75s where we have some volume. And then we're going to be looking for a back test of around $73,000. Again, remember, we pull the Fibonacci from the low to the high. And that $72,000 level is the 618. Okay? So if we're just looking at this for like swing trades, this is swing long territory right here. And then this is swing long territory down here. And if we're going to be losing the 70s, guys, I'm going to have to rethink my entire perspective on this market cycle, to be honest with you. Not that I want the bull market to be over, but the truth is, if we're not going to hold the macro golden pocket, that's pretty bad, man. That is not a good sign for the bull market to continue. All right, so for me, right now, the last major opportunity in this bull market would be a flash liquidation crash down to our mid to low 70s, to that golden pocket zone, and then shooting for around 115 to 120 for our next high. All right, for that next high. And that would be the end of the bull market. Now, there's a potential it could happen from this box too. Okay, so this really is a potential right here for that same exact move. All right, both of these trades, by the way, just to throw it out there, are going to be just as profitable in the sense that they're both like 9-to-1 risk reward ratios. If we're assuming a $120,000 Bitcoin, let's assume a $115,000 Bitcoin. All right, just to be more conservative. these are both like 8 to 1 risk reward ratio trades, meaning like you're risking $100, you're making $800, right? You're risking $1,000, you're making 8,000. You're risking 10,000, you're making 80K. You know, you're risking 100,000, you're making 800,000, right? They're good risk to reward ratio trades, and these are swing trades. These are the types of trades that you wait for, all right? The types of trades that you wait for. They don't come very, very often. This is a more bearish scenario that ends bullishly. And this, again, we really got to watch and wait here for either a change of market structure or an actual divergence. Because many times we don't see the divergence at the low when it's this oversold, right? Oftentimes we don't see the divergence when it's this oversold. We just bounce, and a lot of people miss out on the move. So once we start to change that 1 hour market structure, for me, you know, I'm going to get more serious about thinking that this is actually the bottom, right? Something like this, come back for the retest, something like that, right? That first pullback is going to be where I look to get in. We can't take this high, right? I expect lower. And right now, if we start to pump, let's say we start to pump like crazy, I would expect $93,000 is going to be our first target, because that is the back test of the last pivot low. Let's take a look at the order flow. Make sure to like the stream. Did we get our likes up in here? We got 2,000 people in the house. We got 1,250 likes. All right. We're just a few likes away from our $1,000 giveaway. Let's say if we can get 1,500 likes in the next 5 minutes, we'll give away $500, all right? 1,500 likes in the next 5 minutes, we'll give away $500. I'm going to set a timer here. All right. I'll set a timer. And, okay, yeah. Smash the likes. Let's take a look at the order flow. What has happened here? So you can see on this move to the downside, this first move to the downside, there's two things that I noticed, which are, number one, we have seen millions of shorts opening, like millions of actual shorts opening. Look at this. We have seen like tens of millions of shorts opening up here. Tens of millions of shorts opening. 21 million shorts on this candle. 10 million. Another 4 million. So, you know, we're talking 30, 50, at least 50, 60,000 fresh new shorts opening at the price of $89.5. All right, $89.5. And they're still open. So what that means is, guys, if we reclaim $89.5, we're going to have tens of millions of shorts that are potentially going to get squeezed here. All right. So the one of the key levels to be looking on your chart is $89.5. All right. That's the hourly high. All right. Remember, the first sign of strength is to reclaim the hourly high. Well, it just so happens the hourly high is where tens of millions of shorts have opened up fresh positions. So that means if we come up here, these bears that have been in control for the past few hours are no longer in control. All right. They thought they were in control. Now they're no longer in control. So that's added confluence for if we reclaim this level, that's a sign of real strength, because it's showing us that the market is going against these bears that so far, according to the actual order flow, are opened up in short positions and are still holding those trades. All right. Most of these guys are still open. A few have closed. A few closed out here on that first pump to the upside, but the vast majority are still open. Okay. Let's see about long trades opening right now. There's really not a lot of longs opening. People are skittish. So if we get a rise right now, it's going to start off as a short squeeze. If we start to get a rise right now, it's not going to be fresh money coming in. It's not going to be the institutions buying. All right. It's going to be shorts getting wrecked. Okay. It's going to be shorts getting absolutely wrecked. Tens of millions of them coming above the VWAP towards daily open. And of course, 93.3, the previous day value area low, is also our golden pocket, and the previous day value area low is also our low from this last pivot that we made. What day is today? Is today Tuesday? Yeah, that low we made on Tuesday the 18th. So we have a lot of confluence for these levels here, guys, and we're starting to get that move to the upside right now. All right, we're starting to get that move to the upside right now. Let's take a look at our TPO chart. All right, so we do have some single prints that will fill at 90,850. So 90,850 is also going to be a key level. Now that lines up perfectly with our 90,850. This lines up really nice with taking our hourly high, right? So perhaps something like this is what we look for. And then we get a pullback once again. Start to form a nice rounded bottom. That would be a sign of strength here. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens if we can actually get a bounce from this box. I mean, this is such a key level, guys. This is such a key level. And, you know, I'll be honest with you. You know, I have entered into like a fresh long trade from this area. You know, lower leverage, smaller position size, just kind of dipping my toe in here because this is very, very key support, right? This is toe dipping support. This is toe dipping support right here. All right, I'm looking for that swing trade. All right, did we get our likes? Our timer just went off. We got our likes. All right, guys, we're going to do a $500 giveaway this stream. All right, we're going to do a $500 giveaway this stream. Not now, but this stream we'll do a $500 giveaway. We got some super chats that we got to shout out in the house. Give me 1 second, guys. I got to just go check everything's okay downstairs. Give me 1 second here. I'll be right back. All right, I will be right back. Let's see. We need a picture of Jason Casper while I'm gone. Should I be at the beach? Yeah. All right, Jay Casper at the beach. All right, be right back. Hey, Dave, there. All right, y'all, we are back in action. All right, sorry about that. My son Daniel Fibonacci Carl Casper needed something. All right, let's see. All right, Bitcoin getting a pump, baby. Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a pump. All right, getting a little bit of a pump right now. Let's see what's happening here on the order flow. We're getting a pump. All right, so shorts are starting to get squeezed, guys, and we're approaching the daily VWAP. Shorts are starting to get squeezed. We're approaching the daily VWAP. Let's go to our 1 hour time frame again. Let's see. Remember, the key level that we need to surpass right now for a real sign of strength is going to be 89.5. All right, so 89.5. We're going to go ahead and just put this on. Key level. There's tens of millions of shorts. Shorts will be underwater here. And then this is single prints filled. And then this up here is going to be key support resistance flip. Key support resistance flip. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Bitcoin is pumping, baby. Is it pumping? It's pumping. It's pumping all right. It's pumping all right. Here we go. Here we go. Make sure to stick around, guys. We're going to be doing a giveaway this stream. $500 giveaway. Don't want to sleep on it, all right? Don't want to sleep on a $500 giveaway, especially after a day like this, all right? Here we go, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Bitcoin pumping. We need to come above our key level of 89.5 for a confirmed 1 hour higher high where we will wreck the shorts. Make sure to smash up the likes. We got over 2,000 people in the house, and we've got 1,600 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? Man, if we can get the likes up to the watchers in the next 5 minutes, I'll give away $1,000. Let's do it. Everyone like the video in the next 5 minutes. We'll give away $1,000. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Bitcoin's pumping, and we're pumping. We're pumping. All right. Let's go down to a lower time frame and look at this. So officially have changed structure on the 6 minute here. Let's go ahead and pull the volume of this lower range here. Okay, yeah, look at this. Look at all the volume that's up here at 89.4, 89.5. Obviously, guys, this is where the shorts will get wrecked. And in about half an hour, the New York market is going to close. That's also known as Power Hour, baby. That is also known as Power Hour. So let's see what happens during Power Hour today. All right, super chats in the house. Major shout out to Rich and HH. He says 1,000 likes already. We're all definitely broke and need 1K. Shout out to Rich and HH. On a serious note, although this is alarmingly scary, this does not feel like the top yet. Sentiment alone doesn't feel like the market top. I agree with you, Rich and HH. Major shout out to FO_O_O. What do you think Pepe Francis did on Solana? 24 hours, 6 million, pair created 8 months, 12 days ago. Please, what do I think? I'll be honest, I don't even know what Pepe Francis is, bro. You know, I have to be totally honest. Thank you for the super chat. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But thank you for the super chat. I really appreciate that. I'm not sure. I can't even give an opinion on that. Please check Solana and ETH and give us a pump song. Pump song, baby, let's go. All right, we might be able to do a pump song. Let's check Sol and ETH. All right, Sol, man. Oh, my goodness. Sol. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, guys. So, look. As I said previously for Sol, there's two scenarios for Sol. If the bull market's going to continue, this is very key support. I actually bought Sol at $145,000. I actually set a limit order. I set a limit order live on this stream at the POC 786. So I actually did buy some Sol on spot. All right. Because this is just such key support right here. All right. People said, Jason, we're never going to see that price. We'll never see it. And I told them the very fact that you said in the chat we're never going to see it means we're going to see it. That's how it works, guys. All right. So here's the deal with Sol. We're coming down to a key trend line. We're coming down to a key support. I look at it the same as Bitcoin. All right. Either the low is in, or we could make a lower low. Now, the two scenarios that I'm looking at here for Sol are going to be scenario number one. Let's pull our range so we can get an accurate volume here. Let's pull it back from December 23rd here. Yeah, scenario one is we actually hold here. This is very key support right here. Scenario two, we actually take out the lows, come down to around 103, and then we get that final last bounce. Either way, if the bull market's going to continue, I'm bullish on Sol. And sadly, I've not sold any Sol. And I'm still looking for my $500 target here. I'm still looking for my $500 target. Market Cipher B, we do have some bullish divs on the daily. We do have some bullish divs on the 12-hour. Money flow looks gross. Money flow makes me think we could get a move to the downside. But, you know, after big drops like this, oftentimes we do see the bottom come in without the divergence. For example, right here, we saw the bottom come in without the divergence. All right. So, all I'm saying here is, guys, all I'm saying here is my two levels for Sol are literally right where we're at. You know, I actually bought a little spot Sol at 145 just because I was so convicted about that key support. If this is not going to hold, then I suspect we come down to take out 110, and then we can see a little bit of a just a fake out of the range. Very similar to what Bitcoin is doing right now. All right. We didn't get the likes up to the watchers, but we're still going to do our $500 giveaway. We're still going to do our $500 giveaway. All right. Let's check out ETH. ETH might... Okay, look at this, guys. I mean, come on. Look at this with ETH. I'm telling you, man. I mean... This looks good, I have to be honest. This looks like a nice bottom for ETH. ETH is the only one of these that has a bullish div here. As the price is making the low right into the zone, we're making that higher low on market Cipher B. Money flow coming up as well, giving us that really nice uneven butt cheek pattern. ETH looks the best of all of these, all right? And this is the scenario that we were looking out to play the past few days here on ETH since Sunday. When we looked at this chart, we said it looks like she's gearing up for a dump and pump because we just saw the way we were grinding along here. We got the rejection. These lows looking just like they want to get taken out. We pulled the fib from the low to the high. And we're currently bouncing right from this area. So here's the deal with ETH. This is good and bad. It's good because, well, it does look pretty bullish, to be honest with you. ETH looks pretty bullish to me right now. But what doesn't look so bullish about ETH is the fact that we're underneath this bull market trend line. The triangle that we thought we were going to break out of, we're actually breaking down from. So obviously, we need to reclaim the trend line. And more so, we need to reclaim 2,800. So, look, if you were a knife catcher and you were waiting for this, congratulations. Because honestly, if you're long from that 618 on ETH right now, you're up about 6% already if you took a trade, right? But for real, though, a sign of strength is going to have to start with Ethereum reclaiming this low, 2,500, and then once that happens, we can look for a retest, and then a move to the upside. Okay, let's see. Is Bitcoin pumping? Bitcoin's pumping, baby. Bitcoin is pumping, baby! Alright, Bitcoin is pumping, baby. Let's check it out here. Here we go. We're coming up to our next key area, 89.5. 89.5. We're going to have to do a pump song for the super chats, all right? This is the pump song. Sorry if you don't like the pump song, but it's been requested via super chat. So we got to do it. This is the pump song, guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. Sometimes it has a delayed effect. Here we go. Let's pump! It's 3:33. Yeah! Here we go, baby. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump, baby! Let's do it! Come on! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah! Here we go, here we go! Let's pump! It's working, guys! It's working! Do you see what I see? Oh my goodness, this has to be my next thumbnail! It's gonna be my next thumbnail on YouTube! Here we go! I can't believe what my eyes are seeing, baby! We're about to hit the level. Wreck the shorts! We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, It's another 5-minute candle printing in the blue. Bitcoin is about to show you what she's gonna do, baby. Make sure to smash up the likes. Subscribe to the channel. Here we go. Get your plungers, baby. Get your pirate hats out. Get your dang Pikachu hats out. Here we go, baby. We're getting the pump. We're getting the pump. Man, I feel good right now, baby. Here we go. This is our last shot to pump the Bitcoin price. Right to 89.5.
We're gonna dump, no one gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump right now.
All right, looks like we're getting a little bit of a pullback on this candle here. It's a hard rejection, it looks like, guys. Man. All right. All right. Okay, let's... No need to fear. No need to fear. All right. Here we go, Bitcoin bottomed out, hit the spot. Next thing I know, we pump up to the top, cause we come to 89.545. Got the short struggling just to stay alive, cause they opened up their trades up here. Now sit back, relax, let me spit it in your ear. Your ear, you know, have no fear, because Jason Casper is here. Got the mustache, sombrero, glasses on the eyes. Bitcoin price, you know she's gonna fly. She will pump no matter what she tries, cause the market makers are not here, it's no surprise. Came down to the box of support. People get embarrassed, they're about to get bored, because we're coming down to the low of the range. So we take the long trade, then ka-ching, we make the change. Taking short trades on the treadmill to get paid. Doing it the same way every single day. I give it to you straight, I never give it to you gay. Sit back, relax, cause my name is Mr. J. It's J Casper, we're chilling in the house, and we're trading over here for the Bitcoin bounce. Oh snap, we gotta take a little peek to see if market Cipher B has any uneven cheeks. Big on the left side, nice and juicy. Skinny on the right side to round out the booty. And I don't even know if y'all can spot it, but we did get a bounce from the local golden pocket. We're coming up to make a new all-time high. Sit back, we got the blue candles in your eyes. Taste so good like the key lime pie. As we come up, and it ain't no surprise. Girl, you're so fine that I wanna make you mine. Come over here and we pull the trend line. We could go out, have a glass of wine, then we could go home, you're looking so fine. When we try it, we're breaking out the trend line to Hyatt. Shorts underwater, then they will spy it. By the next level of resistance, we go the distance. Get in the car, turn the key on all pistons. Pedal to the metal, going really fast. Bitcoin's about to break out and then we blast. Yeah, we got a red dot on the 5-minute. Don't worry about that, listen to Jay spit it, yeah. And now we're pumping again. The Bitcoin about to buy a new Mercedes-Benz. We got a Punto Rojo and the mustache on the face. Jason Casper, we're about to run the race. Coming to the treadmill just to put you in your place. And then we blast off to the stars, straight to outer space. We got the Saturn and Uranus coming out. Don't you know it's not famous with the clout, yeah. We're on Twitter, posting P&Ls, we ain't no quitter. Should've taken profit instead of a screenshot. Doesn't matter cause the price is pumping and you know it's looking so hot. Don't you know we come up just to hit the spot, then we come down freezing like a blood clot. Oh my goodness, the price is going faster. Jason Casper, you know he's the master. Here we go, 89.5, and the Bitcoin price is about to stay alive, oh yeah. This is like a trend line here, man. This is like a little bit of a trend line right here. Let's see what happens. Go to the order flow. Oof, big decrease of OI here. Longs closed out and shorts liquidated. We might get a little bit of a pullback from here, to be honest. We might get a little bit of a pullback. just to be honest. Let's see what happens. We're going to pull our fib once again here. We did get a bounce from the local golden pocket. We got a bounce. Yeah. We got a bounce from the pocket, baby. We got a bounce. Yeah. Hola, me amo J. Casper. Don't you know we got a bounce and I'm the trading master. We got the sombrero and the mustache and the glasses on the face. Bitcoin is trying to run the race. We better take off the hat, put it back in its place. Get it back on our head in the space. Talking about the Twitter space and the Twitter space, the Twitter space. Don't you know we're only here to run the race? Sit back, relax, and welcome to the show. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll let you know on BLOFIN. If you sign up with the link, you could get 10% cash back. What you think? Plus $1,000 future bonus and all these juicy prizes. Yeah, you could own this like a watch, like a chair, like a camera, or some cash. Bitcoin is about to blast. You know she goes so fast, and then the bike goes past the people on the side of the road looking at ya. Coming back to the chart, we got the blue and candles like a nice work of art. Don't you know, candles turning purple, but then they're turning blue. The Bitcoin price is about to break right through as we're walking on the treadmill in our fresh new shoes. What is she gonna do? It's up to you, cause if we all long at the same time, you know the price will pump and it will happen in a line. Talking about the line, the hockey stick pattern. The Bitcoin price looking like a smattern. The splatter of the food, eating the oatmeal. The Bitcoin price about to slip on the banana peel. Talking about Mario Kart 64. Bitcoin's gonna dump, but then she'll pump some more. Don't you know if we come down to the level, we could get a little bit of bass and no treble to the VAL and the VAH. The Bitcoin's about to put a smile on your face. Draw the eye and then the other and the nose. Bitcoin price, better look out below. We got a nice face, now we're gonna draw some toes. Next thing you know, we gotta draw some elbows on the chart, like a work of art. Jason Casper, are you such a stupid retard? Cause you're coming here acting like you can trade. We know all your tricks, you're like a spade. Call a spade, just an idiot YouTuber shill in. Market Cipher and Bitget what a villain. But he does it live, it ain't no surprise. Got the purple Bitcoin and he's in a disguise. The Charizard hat and the Bitget jacket. Bitcoin Market Cipher is my habit. You know when we meet the cheeks on the face, then we take the long trade. We blast into space then. When we see the upside down Sam Bankman Free, bearish red nipple Sandman Beebs. Yeah, don't even know, but we got the flow. Here we come back, welcome to the crypto show. Yeah. Okay, so I don't even know that now. This is quality TA. Make sure to like the dang stream. Make sure to like the stream and subscribe to the dang channel. Now, okay, so we failed to take that high. So, guys, this is no real sign of strength. All right, sad to say, this is no longer a sign of strength. All right, I'm sad to say. All right, we really need to take out 89.5 for a real sign of strength. This is simply just another lower high. All right, this is just another lower high, and we didn't really see, yeah, we didn't really see too many shorts get wrecked on that move. Yeah, we didn't really see too many, actually, you know, surprisingly, we didn't really see too many shorts get wrecked on that move. It was mostly longs taking profits here, you know? A few shorts closing out. It looks like mostly longs taking profit, and a few shorts liquidated. Up there. But these guys that still open, these tens of millions of shorts, they're actually still open, and they're still in profit. Okay, they're defending their position so far. So again, you know, there's no real sign of strength happening yet. But in 15 minutes, we are going to see a New York market close. So, again, what am I looking for? Well, like I said, I'm looking for that sign of strength, or we weren't even able to get to the high volume node of this range. But again, if we take these lows again and we're starting to see our bullish divergences, I am going to be, like I said, longing, baby. I'm going to be longing, baby. Longing the babies. I'm bullish on the babies, baby. Bullish on the babies, baby. All right, we got some super chats in the house. ZBCN. Shout out to Omara Mike. Please, TA on ZBCN. Thanks so much for the super chat. Major shout out to Fook USA, man. Fukusaman says, Casper, release an album, please. Maybe. All right, ZCBN. Check out good old ZBCN. All right, what is ZBCN? Look, guys, Bitcoin's dumping and people are looking at altcoins. All right, let's go to the daily. All right, well, you know, here's what I have to say about it. It looks pretty good. The fact that we have changed market structure here on the daily, coming back down for the retest at the previous high. I mean, technically, even from the last swing low, this last little daily order block to the high, we're at the Fibonacci golden pocket as well. So we're at support. Let's just put it that way. We're at support. A better support, in my opinion, would be the value area high of the range. Like a much better support would be 12,712. 0.0012712. But nonetheless, this is a key support resistance slip. So if you're bullish on this, this is a support. This is a support. All right, this is a support. All right. All right, who else we got in the chat right now? God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being here. What coin will I long? Bitcoin. Robert's so bullish on XRP. Maybe we got some XRP bulls in here. Shout out to Gandalf, who says happy birthday to somebody in here. Shout out to Archon Anabi. Shout out to Tyler Bueno. Shout out to Roger. Shout out to Jay. Happy birthday, Jay. Happy birthday, Jay. Happy birthday, Jay. Shout out to Jeff Riz. The Daily Challenge says reverse head and shoulders vibes. Are you talking about this thing, CBZN? Or are you talking about the Bitcoin? Again, guys, these are the two real potentials for Bitcoin. This is a swing long zone. I'm not gonna lie here. This is a swing long zone. All right. It's a swing long zone. Reverse head and shoulder vibes. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about this inverse head and shoulder here is, I'll be honest with you, we haven't shown a sign of strength yet. We haven't shown that the bears are out of control yet, okay? But it's possible. Again, I have opened up a long from this area just to dip my toes in. This is the toe dipping area, man. Now, I caution everybody because every time I dip my toes and do it this way, I get wrecked. I'm just being honest with you. I'm a toe dipper who gets wrecked. All right. Whenever I like enter a starter position and like DCA in, I always get wrecked. I'm just gonna be honest. But yeah, I've taken along from here, man. So we'll see what happens with it. Can we look at ORT? Shout out to Izzy Ali. Can you look at OORT? Shout out to Boyan. We got Boyan in the chat, man. Where's Boyan? Yo, Boyan. What's going on, bro? I don't know if he's in the chat or not, but God bless you, man. Shout out to Light of Yeshua. Jesus is Lord. Repent and accept Jesus as your King. Amen. Shout out to Aaron G. Holding it down with a wrench. All right, Izzy Ali. Izzy Ali. Can we look at OORT? Yeah. Ortec. Ortec. Let's look at Ortec. So, unfortunately for ORT, I have nothing to say because I don't have any kind of support or resistance to look at here. And I would have to just, let's go maybe on KuCoin. I don't have anything here, okay? We're beat down, we're low. I don't know what to say. There's no support here. I don't have enough data on the weekly to even give me a divergence. Daily has a slight div here, but there's really no reference point for like a risk-reward ratio. The only thing you can do here is say to yourself, well, we're pretty beat down. In the last, since December, we're down 84%, right? Which means there's 500% upward potential, or, you know, we go to zero. So, you know, I mean, we're looking at a potential 5x here. So you throw 10 bucks, either lose 10 or make 50. Throw 100 bucks, you lose 100 or make 500. Throw 1,000 bucks, you lose 1,000 or make 5,000. Throw 10,000 bucks, you lose 10,000 or make 50K. I mean, You know, that's the way I would approach this, because there's really no other way to look at it. To be honest with you, there's no other way to look at it. Guys, I just want to remind you that Antarctic Exchange is officially live right now. It's a decentralized exchange that trades like a centralized exchange. And some of the best things about the exchange are very low fees. If you sign up using the link in the description, you get the lowest fees available, period. I don't think MEXC or WEEX is offering fees this low right now. 0% limit order, 0.015% taker order. It's decentralized. 100% self-custody of assets. You're not putting your money on an exchange. There's no risk of hacks. There's no risk of frozen accounts. The way you put money onto the exchange is through a smart contract that you sign on your own hot or cold wallet. No chance of getting hacked. And it's no KYC. We don't have to worry about KYC. I'm pretty sure WEEX just announced that they're going to be freezing accounts that don't have KYC. This is a decentralized exchange. There's no KYC. All right, everything is self-custody. And plus, you can actually be the market maker, because everybody who trades on the exchange is a partial owner of the exchange. You get paid part of the fees as a trader on the exchange. You get paid part of the trading fees. You can even be part of the liquidity pool and be a market maker. You can profit when people get liquidated. This is an exchange made by traders for traders. You're not trading against the centralized market maker. You're trading against a decentralized liquidity pool, and everybody who participates in the exchange has the opportunity to be part of that liquidity pool. All right? Antarctic Exchange, link in the description. Also, for centralized exchanges, I'm trading on BLOFIN, 10% cash back, and I'm trading on WEEX as well. WEEX right now has the lowest fees for the centralized non-KYC exchanges, but I think they're going to be requiring KYC soon. Okay, that's the rumor on the street. So I do enjoy WEEX, I do enjoy BLOFIN. And then for the KYC exchanges that I trade on, MEXC is the way to go, because MEXC has the lowest fees right now for a centralized exchange. But Antarctic, guys, is going to be changing the name of the game. All right, very excited about Antarctic Exchange. In fact, now that this thing is live, as I've been saying for a long time, I'm going to be releasing a trading course that goes over how to trade, all right, for free on the good old YouTube machine, if you know what I mean. All right, let's get back to the Bitcoin price here. Okay, so Bitcoin, what's she doing? Pumping or dumping? Okay, yeah, so we got that move up. Now we're getting a little bit of a retracement here. And as we know, we are bouncing from our key box of support. It's a zone. And also, as we know, until we break above this level here, there's no real sign of strength on the chart. So let's wait a little while. This would be our first sign of strength. That's when I would really want to long the introverted Head and Shoulders, right? Such an introvert. Has no girlfriend in high school, doesn't get invited to any parties. But meanwhile, while all the cool kids and the jocks are having fun going to the parties, he's working a job at 7-Eleven, stacking all that money, putting it into Apple stock in 2009. And then when he finally breaks out in his 30s and he's rich, successful, now all those girls I wouldn't date him in high school, they're crawling right back to him. You know, but he doesn't have time for them anymore, because he's MGTOW. He's gone his own way, red-pilled. You know, who needs women anyway, right? He just needs his pickup truck, the gym, the keto carnivore diet, and he's good to go, man. MGTOW. That's how they do it. They don't eat carbs, they drive their trucks, and they don't like women, all right? But that's another story for another day, because for right now, we haven't even shown that first sign of strength. We are coming down. Let's see. The only hope right now, honestly, is that we get a bounce, maybe at value area low, that this holds as support, and we continue to the upside to finally get that sign of strength. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. All right, that's what I'm looking at right now, man. All right, we are gonna do a $500 giveaway this time. All right, you should have not got the Crunchwrap Supreme. Man, I love Crunchwrap Supremes. You know, I love Taco Bell. I have a thing for Taco Bell. I haven't eaten Taco Bell since 2018. I think it was February 21st. 2018 was the last time I had Taco Bell. And the time before that, I think was... I very rarely eat Taco Bell, right? I don't think I'll ever eat it again, but I do have a thing for it. I wonder if I would still like it after not eating it in so long. You know? Let's check the poll out in the chat. yeah, guys, all the links to all this stuff in the description. All right. Let's see. Is the bottom in? It's really 50-50. Most people say, yeah, I remember the last time I had Taco Bell. I mean, I was on a vacation with my wife, and so it was a very memorable event. And we decided, should we eat Taco Bell? We haven't done it in a long time. We ate Burger King and Taco Bell, and Burger King was awful. It was awful. I'd rather make a dang cheeseburger on the grill with some real meat and some real cheese and some real bread. But the Taco Bell did not taste as good. I mean, I'm sorry, the tacos I make at home do not taste as good as Taco Bell. All right, there's something they put in there. The addictive agent, whatever it is. I think it might be meth or something, or lean. I think Mountain Dew Baja Blast really is just lean. And that's why it's so dang addictive, you know? All right, we got another super chat in the house. We need the pump song? Man, we just did the pump song, bro. I don't know if my voice could take it. Check one! Can my voice take it? One would think if Bitcoin's going to be the big thing in 2025, the elites would tank the price first to buy it on the cheap. Thoughts? Well, global sacrifice, I mean, yeah, I guess that makes sense. I mean, you know, that probably does make sense. I know that, here's the thing for me, all right? I know I'm going to offend a lot of people with this. But, you know, with all due respect, anyone who bought Bitcoin because Trump won the election deserves to get wrecked, all right? I'm just going to say it. I don't care. If you bought Bitcoin because Trump won the election, or if you bought any crypto because Trump won the election and Kamala lost, you deserve to get wrecked. I'm just throwing it out there. When did Trump win the election? Right here. I'm just saying. And this is major support, right? So I'm just saying, if you weren't bullish on Bitcoin before Trump won the election, and you only bought because of the election, man, which a lot of people did, welcome to crypto. You're about to get wrecked, all right? I'm just throwing it out there, man. I mean, but at the same time, look, welcome to crypto. It's your first cycle. It happens in 4-year waves, all right? So there's probably still, I'd say there's a good chance you're still going to be able to close in some profit. But if you just bought recently, you're probably not going to sell. You're probably going to hold all the way back down to the bear market bottom. But it happens in 4-wave cycles. So around the fall of 2026, right around here, actually, summer, fall 2026, this is where you want to be buying crypto. This is to buy around this area. And the sell zone, I'd say, is probably right around the spring, summer 2025. It's the sell zone right around here, just based on time. And, you know, the way I've been doing it is I've been selling along the way up. So I'm already 60% out of my spot Bitcoin. I sold at 60K, 80K, 100K. I'm going to sell at 120K. And I'm not going to get into my buy targets now, but it depends on where we top out, where my buy targets will be. They're based on historic Fibonacci levels that we repeat every single cycle. So, yeah. Just throwing it out there. But yeah, I mean, look, if I was an elite and I wanted to buy Bitcoin on the cheap, you know, maybe I would manipulate the price a little bit, you know. Maybe I would. Here we go, though. We're getting a little bit of a pump again. Major shout out to my man, hang on. Robert Harold. He says, XRP thoughts. Daily wick rejection today is crazy. Well, I know a lot of people are like ultra bullish on XRP. Look, so here's the deal with XRP. We are coming right into the zone that we are. This to me, this is a buy zone, all right? To me, this is a buy zone on XRP because we came down to backtest $2 with a nice wick, and now we're coming into historic support. All right, this is historic support. This wick today has come to the value area low of the range, confluence with the Fibonacci golden pocket 786 zone. All right, this green box that we've had in the chart since like Sunday the 16th of February. We come right to it. This is historic support. Support once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, now the 5th time. This is a place where we could actually get a nice bounce from. If we lose this, well, you know, look, I'm not here to say what's going to happen, but we are here to say what could happen, right? This wick was very technical. Let's zoom out onto the weekly here. Yeah, this is a very technical level. We lose this, guys. Just understand the gravity of the situation. We lose our current support, we're losing something massive. And I'd say we don't really have any other major support on XRP. I don't even want to say it, man. I'm not gonna say. People are gonna get too angry. I mean, we had a very, very fast move up here. All right, a very, very, very fast move up. Let's just put it that way. Any of these highs could act as support. All right, but I'd say that this here, the back test of this is the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, I mean, a lot of these altcoins have been retracing into the 786, 886. I don't mean to be bearish here. If you're bullish on XRP, like, first of all, let me just say we're at support. We're holding support right now, so this is good. We're potentially forming a bull div. That's good. All right. Then we're looking down to $1.50, $1.60 for our support after that, right? We lose this box. We have this high on the daily with the Fibonacci golden pocket, $1.50, $1.60. All right. We lose that. We don't really have any support until we come back down to retest the dollar. There, I said it. I said it, man. Okay, now it doesn't mean we're going to go there. I'm just saying we're taking it level to level as far as supports go. So far as we hold this green box that they're bouncing from now, I'd say that's a good sign. I'd say that's a really, really good sign for XRP. XRP, really good sign. Have I tried breakout prop? No, not yet. Oof. One of my mates, his mate put 3,000 right at the top, I think. Man, I mean, someone I know, like, did something dumb like that too. But, yeah. The likes and the views are equal. Y'all did good. Wow, congratulations. Thank you guys for all that. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Clear head and shoulders on XRP. Yeah, it's a clear head and shoulders, but here's the thing, like, you have to understand, even these head and shoulders don't usually play out. We usually get the fake outs. So, like, the target of this head and shoulders is technically going to be right around the back test of $1, which it could happen, right? Let's be honest. The back test is literally our 786 around $1. But I'd say what's more likely if the bull market continues is if we're going to break down from this, we just take the low and everyone thinks we're going to go to $1, but we don't, right? But we don't. We see this happen all the time for crypto. The head and shoulders don't hit their targets. People get bearish at the lows. They short and then they get trapped, all right? They short and then they get trapped. Bitcoin right now struggling to reclaim our last low. That's where we're rejecting from right now. If we go to the 15-minute chart, we're literally rejecting from our last low that we made back in earlier this month, all right? Back in this month. So. Man, every little thing I can... That's crazy. Why is this? There we go. Alright guys, and this trade setup was given in advance in the Casper crew. Didn't think we were going to come this low. But here we are. Here we are. Alright, so again, sign of strength for Bitcoin. We must reclaim 89.5. Rejecting from here is not the best look. It's not the best look for Bitcoin. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Let's do a giveaway. You want to do a giveaway? You guys want to do a giveaway? All right. DJ Dex TA Musica Instrumental. Is this a good beat? DJ Dex TA Instrumental. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Has like an old school kind of vibe to it. What do you guys think about this? What you think about this? The beat's so heavy, it makes me want to piss in the bottle that I got on the side of my desk while we figure out what Bitcoin will do next. Got something real heavy on my chest, I gotta get it off cause it's what I do best. Sit back and listen to my story while the Bitcoin price today is so boring. Happened out 3 years ago, my friend told me about this thing, crypto. He said, you gotta buy cause we'll pump it to the sky and you're about to miss out before the all-time high. So I liquidated all that I had, refinanced my mortgage, I was so bad, put it into Bitcoin just like Michael Saylor. Next thing you know, I was such a failure cause Michael Saylor, he got mad money. I had nothing and it wasn't very funny cause I lost everything that I had. I bought the all-time high and it was so bad. Then I had to go home and tell my wife I lost everything, I lost our life. She smacked me in the face once, then she did it twice. Next thing you know, she said, I'm leaving you tonight. So I had to sleep alone on the couch. Couldn't sleep that night, I just stood there and slouched while I flipped through the TV channels. So cold in the street, had to wear a flannel. So I lost everything, that's my sad story. Now listen to me sing, we got the sad music coming in the background. Bitcoin price about to dump straight into the ground. Yeah, I got nothing left, lost all my money in crypto, what the heck. Thought I would be a millionaire, but now I ain't got nothing, not even underwear. Got a free ball when I go anywhere. Got the chafing on my thighs, gives me a scare. I hate it, but you know I'm frustrated when we're looking around, the chart's looking faded. Yeah, we got the trend line, look at this. Support resistance flip makes me have to piss. Once again in the bottle and I got it on the side. The Bitcoin welcome, let's take a ride. Got support, flip it into resistance. Then we reject, then we go the distance. Then we come up, fire off on all pistons. Turn around looking like you wanna kiss this. Don't you know, we got a rejection. Price turned around like an inverse erection. Had to sit down and think, so much reflection. Think to myself, mad introspection. Stroke the beard on my face, kinda weird. Looking around, hopefully I don't steer the car into the ditch. Hopefully the Bitcoin will change my pitch of my voice, rapping high like this and low like that. Bitcoin makes you wanna flip around my hat, so I put it to the blue side. Then we let it ride, change the pitch of my voice from the out to the inside. Yeah, don't you know the falsetto? Bitcoin price looking so ghetto. Next thing you know, my boy Gebetto, the grandpa from Pinocchio, let him go. And now the beat drops again. Driving through the farm in my new Mercedes-Benz. Just kidding, I sold that to buy the top two. Bitcoin price, what is she about to do? We got the blue candles, now they turning purple. Price action, got me going in circles. Like to drink the slushy and I slurp, yo. Got the gas in my belly, got a burp, yo. Then we do it again. Take the Smucker's grape jelly and I spread it on the bread. Take the left side and the right, put it together. Bitcoin flying around, bird's feather. Flocks of the same feather stay together. Got the chickens in the coop and they do it in the weather. Got the rain, got the snow, got the sun, got the heat. Bitcoin price got me on my feet. Driving around in my nice new Jeep. Just kidding, some of that too, man, with the cleat. Got the cleats on the feet, looking at the street. Next thing you know, looking like I want a treat. Like the ice cream, lick the cone. Then we go home, off the dome. Every single day, when you want a bone with the chicken, give it to the dog. Bitcoin price, greedy as a hog. Eating all the food when we're rolling in the mud. Bitcoin's dumping from the Bybit FUD. Yeah, I heard the exchange got hacked the other day. Then we got the money back. What do you say? Got the blue? Well, the beat just ends like that, huh? Okay. Alright, the beat just ends like that. Man, okay. That was a little bit unexpected, to be honest with you. Shout out to Global Sacrifice, who says... Oh wait, these are old chats. Hang on. These are old chats. Is this real or a robot? You know, I'm just like Elon Musk. I'm an AI meme. The beat was whack. The beat was whack, bro. I'm sorry, man. That beat was whack. But look, we had to do what we had to do. All right? We had to do what we had to do. All right, people wanted to do a giveaway. All right. Should we do a giveaway? What do you say? Should we do a giveaway? What do you say? Bitcoin dumping today? What do you say? Man. I hope I don't get copyright struck for that, you know? Probably will. Let's get the music back here. I know, right? Just wait until he says go with the dang addresses. Alright, I'm scrolling through chat. Let's do a giveaway so you can put it all on Antarctic. Yeah, I'm waiting to enter a fresh new long on Antarctic here. Shout out to Led of Yeshua. He says, Jesus is coming. Amen, amen. Make sure to watch and be ready. Watch and pray. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to FOMO into a long here on Antarctic. Now, for now, Antarctic, I think it has a cap right now of a $250,000 position size. But, yeah, we get another dip. I'm looking to trip on the 618. And then we look for the flip to the upside, baby. You don't get a copyright strike unless you post what? Gap fill on the daily Bitcoin coming? You talking about the CME? Now let's look at the CME chart. Ooh. Wow. So crazy, guys, but we do have a CME gap to the upside right now. I didn't even notice this. We have a CME gap to the upside that will be filled at 93.5, which is our major key level, man. So let's see. We got that gap right here. Yeah, that would be crazy. Even if we continue down, let's pull a fib from high to low. Oh my goodness, man. That gap fills right at the golden pocket. Yeah, right around the golden pocket. We fill that gap, then we drop it right back. That would be wild, man. That would be wild, I have to say. Shout out to Robert Harold for bringing that to my attention. Max Payne, 98,000 option. Yeah, that could be crazy. Does it have to be a certain kind of address? No, just a USDT address in general, right? Just USDT. There's a CME gap. Yeah. That's where you're shorting at 93. Yeah, that's going to be an important level. 78K incoming, says AI Griff. Yeah, I mean, look, definitely, I'd say a little bit lower than 78, to be honest, if we're going to lose this box. I mean, this is the box. This is the box. Like I said, I've been dipping my toes into some longs today. Just low leverage, low position size, building some longs. Looking sexy. I mean, good. Shout out to Big Butts 28. She's coming in very flirtatious into the room right now. She's getting me all distracted. Sheesh. Is it hot in here? Or is it just me? Is it hot in here? Or is it just me? Man, we got people spamming the chat. Guys, please don't spam the chat. Alright, please don't spam the chat. Alright? Not yet. We're going to do a giveaway, but not now. We're going to wait a little bit. We got to make people wait a little bit. You know? Shout out to Rich and HH. He says, Delinquent Habits, Return of the Trees Instrumental. All right. Delinquent Habits, Return of the Tress Instrumental. This is a beat by Rich and HH. Oh man, I don't know if I could drop a beat over this, drop a rap over this. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm not really feeling it. Maybe I need to get into the right vibe. Yeah, here we go, hot in here, or is it just me? Open the door and what do I see? A woman walks in my white feet, shaking her hair, she fills me with glee because hot in here, or is it just me? Is it hot in here, or is it just me? Sit back and listen to my flow, got the Jason Casper on the mic, 1, 2, 3. Hola mi amigos, my name is Jason Casper. Don't you know, I'm the trading master, coming down to the support resistance, cross the border, Mexico the distance, going to the taco stand all across the land. Got the ground beef and the cheese not bland, got the taco shell and the tortilla, looking like, you know I wanna see ya. Taco Bell, you know I wanna eat ya. Don't wanna eat Mexican pizza, talk about the tacos, chicken, and we got the steak. Bitcoin looks like she wants to take a trip to the upside, then we let her ride to the flip side, then we come around, stay alive. Don't you know I'm the 12-minute time frame, about to get a dump and we will be in pain, cause the bears and the bulls and the battle, don't you know, about to take a trip out to Seattle where we eat the tacos, Taco Bell the taco. Bitcoin, you know she won't stop, yo. We got the mustache sombrero on the head, hopefully the green trays don't offend in the red. Yeah, got the money flow coming up in Bitcoin, bout to pump, got the coffee in the cup, yeah. Got the Mexican music, and we're looking around like a toothpick, cause we're so dang skinny from the tacos, don't hit the gym, we only wanna jock, yo. Like the jocks and the cool kids, high school, Jason Casper, such a nerd, such a fool. Coming around the gate, plus the rate, looking like you wanna take left, take a right, then we wait in the line, looking so fine. Girl, I wanna take you out, I wanna make you mine. We could go to Taco Bell, then we wait in the line. Order number 2, please, give me some extra fries. Hey sir, I'm so sorry, this ain't a McDonald's, we gotta take a pee. This is a Taco Bell, we only got the nachos. Get to the back, then you gotta stop, yo. So I order some nachos. Bitcoin price looking like the tacos. Next thing you know, we're looking so macho. We're going to the gym and we just won't stop, yo. Yeah, coming to the VAL. The Bitcoin price won't jump to hell. We're coming up, then we hear the market bell, cause New York is closed and we dump. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm sorry, this is a really hard beat to rap over, but because of the super chat, I had to give it a shot. But I'm really not vibing with it, alright? I'll be honest with you. Shout out to Daniel B. Does praying help? You lost everything? I'm sorry to hear that, man. I mean, does praying help with what? I mean, praying is so important. If you're not in prayer every single day, I don't even know what to say. Like, for me, being in prayer every day is like one of the most important things for my life, period. Look, is prayer going to change your situation? Absolutely it could, because the Lord can do anything. But more so, prayer is going to change your outlook on everything, bro. You know, prayer is going to change your outlook on everything. Because when you're in the Lord's presence and you're focused on Him and everything He is, all these other things in life are just shown to be what they really are. Pretty meaningless, right? If you lost a lot of money, you probably did something wrong. And if this is something you want to continue to do, trading and investing, you got to go back to the drawing board and you got to take this as an opportunity to not make that mistake again. I mean, if you legit lost everything trading, then you were gambling, all right? Nobody should ever lose everything trading. That means you're gambling. That's bad. Gambling, bad. Trading, good, all right? Work on your risk management. Go back to the drawing board. I hope you didn't lose a lot. I've lost a lot in my money as well. I've lost a lot in my life. I've lost a lot of money. I've had money stolen from me. I've lost a lot of money when I first started trading. So look, money's not everything. It's not. But take it as a lesson, all right? Take it as a lesson. I think every successful trader I know has gone through a period where they've lost a lot, all right? But with all due respect, if you've really lost everything, you were making some really bad decisions, right? So maybe this isn't for you. I'm just going to say that. Or maybe you got to go back to the drawing board and get your risk management on point. No mobile app on Antarctic. Not yet. It's awaiting approval from the Apple people. Steve Jobs. We're waiting on Steve Jobs to approve the app. Hang on, what's that? I just got a text message from somebody. Oh, Steve Jobs is dead. Well, we're waiting on the Apple App Store to approve the app. Okay. Trading is a gamble, says Notorious SK8. I mean, trading is a gamble in a sense, but it's more than a gamble. All right, a gamble is a slot machine. You pull the dang thing, and you have no control over what happens. All right, trading, you have total control of when you trade, if you trade, how much you risk, and how much you're looking to get. You have technical analysis, which allows you to put the odds in your favor, right? And so if you combine odds in your favor with risk management, then over time you can actually be profitable, right? You can actually be profitable over time. Shout out to Trader Geo in the chat. He lost 50K before coming back. You know? Shout out to Trader Geo. Guys, make sure to go and subscribe to Trader Geo if you want some real analysis and some real entertainment as well. Oh, Tim Cook. Yeah, Tim Cook. Tim Cook. Yeah, trading's a game of probabilities. For sure. Looks like Bitcoin's trying to make another little push to the upside here. But it's happening on a decrease of OI. So again, just to reiterate, guys, we need to reclaim 89.5 for our first sign of strength. That will put tens of millions of shorts underwater. Until that happens, we have not seen any real sign of strength here, okay? Let's see. 137. 137. 137. All right, let's do a giveaway. Yeah, Geo's good, man. Geo's good. He's good. He's a G. I mean, his name is G-O. He's a G-O. G-Yo. All right, let's do a dang giveaway, guys. We're going to give away 500 bucks. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to give away 500 bucks. 500 bucks. 500 bucks. All right. You guys already know. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. All right. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to do a random screenshot, count down from 10, and whoever's highlighted on my thing, when I take a screenshot, wins 500 bucks. Now, shout out to this guy with the broccoli, all right? If you do these big things, you might have a better chance of winning. But if you do a lot of small things, you also might have a better chance. All right, here we go. We're going to count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and our winner is, let's see, Wonders with Waz. All right, Wonders with Waz. Shout out to Wonders with Waz, who has just won our giveaway. Wonders with Waz, congratulations. I'm about to send you, Wonders with Waz, 500 bucks. All right, let's see, Wonders with Waz. Here we go. I'm gonna take the address. All right, Wonders with Waz. Congratulations. You just won 500 smackerels. Little smackerel. Alright, sent it. Shout out to Wonders with Waz. Congrats, Wonders. Congrats, Wonders. Alright, here come all the haters. Here come all the haters. Look, Bitcoin's trying to get another little push to the upside here. We're actually holding this trend line. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? I'd say that's pretty cool. Shout out to Tony Punch Aether Media. May you and your family be blessed and happy. Much love to you, bro. Much love to you. Nikos, you want to win someday? You probably will. I mean, it's a 1 out of 2,000 chance. It's a 1 out of 2,000. You know, odds are pretty good. Odds are pretty good. You know? Alright. Alright, well, I'm going to head out, guys. God bless all of you in Jesus' name. Thank you so much for being here. I love each and every one of you. May you all be blessed. And Lord willing, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.